Mastering the Art of Management, a step-by-step guide to building leadership skills and achieving success as a manager. Are you ready to take your management skills to the next level? Look no further. Written by Samuel Valmay, Ph.D., an experienced manager and leadership expert, this comprehensive guide is a must-have resource for anyone looking to excel in their managerial role. Let's dive into what this book has to offer. In Chapter 1, you will explore the fundamental aspects of being a manager. From understanding your role and responsibilities to setting the right expectations, this chapter sets the foundation for your success. Chapter 2 delves into the importance of self-awareness and emotional intelligence in effective management. Learn how to understand your strengths, weaknesses, and emotions to become a more impactful leader. Effective communication is key to successful management. Chapter 3 provides practical strategies for enhancing your communication skills and building strong relationships with your team and stakeholders. Motivating your team is essential for achieving goals. Chapter 4 offers insights on how to inspire and engage your team members, fostering a positive and productive work environment. Learn how to set clear objectives and develop effective strategies in Chapter 5. This chapter equips you with the tools to align your team's efforts towards success. Every manager faces decision-making and problem-solving challenges. Chapter 6 provides techniques to make informed decisions and tackle problems with confidence. Time management is crucial for efficient management. Chapter 7 helps you master the art of prioritization and optimize your productivity. A positive work culture drives success. Chapter 8 explores strategies to create a supportive and collaborative environment that boosts team performance. Change is inevitable, and innovation is the key to staying ahead. Chapter 9 provides insights on how to adapt to change and foster a culture of innovation within your team. Chapter 10 emphasizes the importance of continuous improvement as a manager. Discover techniques to refine your skills, expand your knowledge, and enhance your leadership abilities. Don't miss out on this invaluable resource for managers. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting your managerial journey, Mastering the Art of Management will guide you every step of the way. Get your copy today and unlock your full potential as a manager. Success awaits.